Whew. Today is Thursday, December 29. Thanks. Couldn't even pull the month. 2022. We are approaching the summit of Jackson right now. So this is looking across at Willard, I think, down here. And then, let's see, I've got two poles, but Tom, Field, and Willie. And Avalon is going up to, so over that little bump, oops, right over, I can't see my screen, right over there. Big Kerrigan, and here we go. So, it is pretty warm today. I think it's going to be over 30 at the summit in the middle of the day. And we are wearing spikes, although we're carrying snowshoes and also crampons because I was a little concerned about this part, but there haven't been any trail reports really, so I don't know what to expect. And we plan to go over to Webster from here, which might require snowshoes. This is that really steep approach, which actually it's not as scary as normal because you've got pretty good grip if you're wearing spikes. All right, the wind was supposed to be 45 and up on the presidentials, which is kind of our limit. So we did want to go there, but we didn't want to deal with that. So there's the summit's over there. There's the trail split right here. We'll come here first. Wow, nice and clear. Sorry, I can just see the top of Flume and Liberty sticking up, and then there's the Twins. Nice. Looks a little ominous to the north, a little bit. And then over here, oh, that gray jay just landed on that guy's head. Oh, he was eating presidentials. I'll take a video over there in a minute. Hi, John.
Hi.
Nice.
Stay there for a minute.
Okay, and then this is the actual summit cairn right there. Hi. And then Pierce, I can hardly see on my screen. Eisenhower, Jefferson is the white behind that. And then Franklin, Little Monroe, Gray Jays all over up here. Washington, Boot Spur, Gulf Peak, and then Isolation is, I think, right there. Carter Dome is sticking up. Oh, I can hardly see anything behind. Where is it? I guess I can't tell on my screen where it is. I think it's right over there. Wow. Nice clear day. It does look pretty nasty that way though, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay. Onward. Yeah?
Onward and upward. No, onward and downward.
Onward. Do you want a drink?
Yeah, I think
Let's
so.
do that.
I mean, I don't really need a drink, but
1, 2, 3. 3 grades. This is just a taste of the trail between Jackson and Webster. It's pretty. Got these little footprints right here, which I think are pine marten. I guess they could be ermine. They look a little bit bigger than I expect for that. And there are so many bunny prints. There's some right there. It's amazing how many snowshoe hair prints there are. Oh, and this is somebody's house. A little rodent.
or an elf.
Or an elf, yes. Every now and then when you're hiking, you see like a little mole or a mouse running across the trail in front of you. So that's pretty neat. Whoa. I just post-holed right there. So the trail is quite firm, but it is warming up. So every now and then you find a weak spot and you go through. But anyway, this is just to show you what it looks like when you're not catching views. It's still beautiful. There's one lady ahead of us and a couple behind us who stopped to put on snowshoes. I personally don't think you need them for this, but hike your own hike. 2 days of rain are coming in, so whatever happens to the trails, it's going to get messed up anyway. So I'm not overly concerned, but it's been pretty darn supportive anyway, so that's good. More of those prints. Okay, this is the summit of Mount Webster. It's really hard to see on my screen, but over here is Jackson, Pierce, and then the rest of the Southern Presidentials, Washington, and then Jefferson is snow-capped right there. And coming down over this way, you get Isolation is actually out of the screen. And then over here in the distance is, I can't even see, in the distance is Cabot and Wamback. Over here, Willie with all the landslides. And then Field and Tom. Kerrigan, and then the Hancocks, we just were there the other day. And then, oh, it's kind of hard to see from here. Pass of Conaway is in this gap between the trees. Yeah. Very nice. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit. Not too bad though. Down here, Mount Washington Resort with the red roof down in there where the snow is. And Bretton Woods ski area, just the top of some of the runs are visible over there. Okay, quiet day up here. I guess it is midweek.
That's true.
And I don't know. I think a lot of people have it for vacation, so I feel like we've seen more people in other years than we have this year. Trail conditions were decent. They were decent. Yep. I actually think the trail coming across was better than the trail up because it wasn't as churned. You know, it wasn't mashed potato-y. It was good. It did post-hole a bit, but okay. So now we're gonna head down the Webster portion of the Jackson-Webster Trail, and right before you junction up with the Jackson portion of it, we'll get to, what's it called? Emerald? No, what's it called?
Elephant.
No, Cascade.
Oh,
the water.
Cascade.
What's
Oh,
that
that's
Cascade?
Right.
Something Cascade. Is that Emerald? No. Those clouds look like they're gonna snow a little.
They do.
Right there. So there is a cascade.
Silver Cascade.
Silver Cascade. I knew it was a color. But it has like a huge log in it that really detracts. Someone should get in there and take that thing out. But last spring when we came down this way, wow, the ice formations there were amazing. But I don't think we'll get that this time. But we'll see. Okay. I'll shoot a little bit there and then I'll be done unless something amazing happens.
Moose.
I know. Where are you, Moose? Alright, this is the Silver Cascade, all frozen over. Some ice hanging on the sides. Very nice. We were still in spikes. The trail conditions weren't great. They were pretty soft, but almost done. It's a fun short hike.